Probably get comfortable. What is going on, guys? It's your boy, Little Dino. Today, we're going to be opening up a Pokemon Unfiend Minds with a hypnotic thing. Very hypnotic. So, let's get straight into the box. Ooh. What? Whoa. That's weird. Okay, come with some booster packs. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We get 8 booster boxes. 8. There you go. And then you also get this, a bunch of energies. Well, you also get a lot. Okay, guys. Here's the first card. Here's the first pack. Come on. Okay, open it up. Okay. Just a fully green scanner. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 from the back. Get energy. Tag switch. Eagslem. Turnboard. Litwack. Drillbur. Slacketh. Fungus. Hornedged. Gamble. And Salzel. Swazzle. Okay. But I think I'm gonna open up the second one. Open it up. Come on, open it up. Pop. Okay. This card. Okay, see? Oh, it's a green with stripes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 from the back. Let's go. Okay, energy card. Ooh, this is pretty cool. Look at that. It's the GX. Ooh, plus 200. What? Zupa, Magneton, Popplio, Snorted, Drillbur, Double, Provide. What? Oh my god! What? 200! 200! Oh my god, it's a tag team! Okay, wait guys, I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I had to take a 5-minute break, but we got an Alolan Executor with a Rowlet with 200 damage. Bro, this little man is so excited right now. Come on, we gotta open our third pack. Come on. Okay, come on. You wanna open it? You gotta pull it from the side. You gotta open it.
These are stronger than a potato chip bag.
If potato chip bags were strong. Ooh! It's a silver green. Scan it if you want it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 from the back. Okay, boom. Water. Stadium Knave. Gabite. Clash. Litwack. Cubone. Yangma. Yagoose.
Goggle.
Oh shoot.
Electros.
Bidoof.
Electros.
Electros, yeah. This one is okay. It's not gonna be like, where is that card? That one card, where is it?
I don't think it has
Oh yeah, it's right here. It's not as rare as this one. We got it on the second pack, guys. Okay. 4th booster pack. Let's go. Open it up. Okay, it's still green with lines. That's good. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 from the back. Okay. Energy. Conma. Pokemon Research Lab. Lamoon. Pikachu. Fufu. Squaggy. Numel. Tomato. And
bonus week.
Oh! Oh! We got the same. Boom. Okay. Ready for the greatest. Okay, this is the 5th booster pack. Oh, it's all green. That does not mean that we're not gonna get good cards. But like, keep your spirits up. 3, 4, 4 from the back. Pull her down. Oh shoot. Okay. So you got the Eye, Dragonair, Basgun, Misty Favor, Sandlet, Bounsweet, Sandlet, Scraggy, Tomato, Sandlet again, and then Noivern.
Oh my gosh!
Okay, this is scary. We got 2 of the same card, but just different rarities. It's another green fold. But if you want to read it, boom, there you go, bada bing. Oh shoot.
Boom, bada bing.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Pow.
4 from the back. Put it down. A leaf. Eaglum. U-turn board. Carcast. Drover. Slackkith. Fungus. Honedge. Magneton. Ooh!
Gullis's pot.
Wait, well said.
Wait.
And then a Talonflame, regular rare. Okay, here we go.
Okay.
This is our 7th booster pack.
I hope we win again.
Ooh, this is good. This is good. The green lines is a good sign. See the green line?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. See the barcode? Read it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 from the back. Put it down.
I was like, I don't really think they're gonna
Steelix.
be on YouTube.
It is going to be on YouTube. Kalma, Downwise, Keskla, Noibat, Seedloy, Scared Up, Slack Off, ooh, Drappin, Aerodactyl! Okay, I'm back. We just raged a lot because we got an Aerodactyl GX card. If you guys want to look at it, pause the video and then watch it. Okay, the last one. This is the last one. Oh, it's full green. Full green, guys. If you want to read the code, get the code up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 from the back. Okay.
Wait, they also come with dye.
Yeah, dices. Yeah. Okay. So you got Weather Energy, Goodbye, Flashball, Tag Switch, Cubone, Yangma, Yagoose, a Coinsler, a Litwack, a Joltik, not that bad, and a Wimcost. Okay, guys, let's do a recap. Be right back. Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you the 3 cards that we got. So first off, you get the Aerodactyl, the GX 50 times. We have to take a 5-minute break for all of them. Then we also got Rowley and a Alolan Executor as well, a tag team, 200 GX, Tropical Hour. And then the same exact one, it's different as well. So yeah. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next video. I recommend that you buy this pack because you get some pretty good stuff. See ya.